how to solve for m from this algebra problem. 2m squared plus m is equal to 1. From here, 2m squared plus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Then this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. We have m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1. Let's substitute. M is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 2, 1 multiplied by c is minus 1 over 2 multiplied by a is 2. Then m is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square, 1 minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 8 over 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Then m is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 8, 9 over 4. This is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 9, that is 3 over 4. Then m is equal to minus 1 plus 3 over 4 or minus 1 minus 3 over 4. Then from here, m is equal to minus 1 plus 3 over 4, that is 2 over 4, or minus 1 minus 3 over 4, that is minus 4 over 4. Now, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 4 here 1, 4 here 1. Therefore, m is equal to 1 over 2 or minus 1. This is the value of m. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2m squared plus m is equal to 1. Then when m is equal to minus 1, here is 2 bracket minus 1 square plus minus 1 must be equal to 1. Then this is minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 1 must be equal to 1. Then 2 times 1, that is 2, minus 1, that 1 is equal to 1, which is true. Also, when m is equal to 1 over 2, here is 2 bracket 1 over 2 square plus 1 over 2 must be equal to 1. Now this is 2 bracket 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 must be equal to 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Here is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 must be equal to 1. Then the LCM here is 2. This divided by this, we have 1 times 1. That is 1 plus 1 must be equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1, this is 2 over 2 must be equal to 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to 1, which is also true when m is equal to 1 over 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.